Okay then guys, welcome back to Foxtecc. It's me, it's Lucas, and in this video we talk about what you can do in case your Instagram got suspended. So how can you fix this situation? And there are a few things you should know about it. So for example, let me open up the photos and show you what it can look like. So for example, you might have received an email which is or reads like this, that your account may be lost. You might lose access to your account if you don't take action, and yeah, your account has been suspended. This is because your account or activity on it does not follow our community guidelines and stuff like that. So at first, you should know that you should always check who the account or the email is actually from, because there is a slim chance that it's not even the real deal, that you received it like as a fraudulent email. So always check out who it is from, and if it's like a weird email address, like I don't know, if it ends at the Gmail or Instagram at gmail.com, it's probably not the real deal. So just make sure to check out who the email you got from. But chances are that you don't even rely on the email and you already know because you don't have access to your Instagram. Now, the only option, the only way to fix it is to appeal this decision. So you can see in your email that you receive, it tells you that, yeah, you did not follow the community guidelines, but if you think we made a mistake, you have until, and they give you a date, until March 24th, 2024 to appeal. So this is something that you cannot do. Make sure that you are within the time limit. So in case you don't have access to your Instagram, make sure not to wait too long, but also make sure to just click on review details, and you want to just get in touch with them as soon as possible to see what happened. I mean, there were cases and situations where people didn't get their Instagram back for whatever reason, and there were instances where they were able to fix it. But at the end of the day, you can only appeal that decision and wait for Instagram to decide if you are right, if you should get the account back, and basically this is the whole process behind it. So chances are that you got this email because you actually broke some rules and the guidelines. So it is really useful to find out what is really going on, what's allowed on Instagram, what's not. So yeah, you even have the blue link there to community guidelines, so you are like encouraged to click on it and read through it, just so you know exactly where you made the mistake. So this is something that you should just do before you proceed with Instagram normally. So this is what I wanted to tell you. This is how you can fix it. You can only appeal it, and you appeal it through the email that you receive. There is the review details, and there you will have the option to request an appeal. So this is all that you need to know about it. Before we wrap up, I need to show you this, which is the Foxtecc educational platform. It is something which I created. You can join it for free, and there are some courses and stuff you can watch, of course, for free. And yeah, there I'll share all of the stuff which I don't put on YouTube, and some posts, and you can interact, and there are like 80 people inside already. So yeah, go ahead and join right now. I will wait for you inside. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later in the future.